Moxi, the AI-powered robot nurse assistant, can collect valuable data on patient vitals, medication adherence, and environmental conditions. This data can be used to improve patient care, optimize hospital operations, and identify potential issues early on. Moxi can handle repetitive tasks like fetching supplies, delivering medications, and transporting patients, freeing up nurses for more complex care. This can improve overall workflow and efficiency in busy hospital environments. Moxi can navigate contaminated areas without risk, minimizing the spread of germs and protecting healthcare workers. This is valuable in isolation wards or during pandemics. Moxi can provide companionship and emotional support to patients, reducing loneliness and anxiety. It can also offer basic entertainment and educational resources, enhancing their stay. Moxi can play music and tell jokes, boosting patient morale. It can work tirelessly, unlike human nurses who need breaks and sleep.